In this quick iPhone 14 tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the iPhone 14 camera not focusing, so you can take clear, sharp photos and videos again. Let's get started. First, clean your camera lens with a soft microfiber cloth. A dirty or smudged lens can prevent your camera from focusing properly. Next, open the camera app and tap on the subject you want to focus on. This helps your iPhone lock the focus on the correct area. If the camera is still blurry, move slightly farther away from the subject, especially when taking close-up photos, since the camera has a minimum focus distance. If the issue continues, close the camera app completely and open it again. You can also restart your iPhone to refresh the camera system. If none of these steps work, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available iOS update, as camera bugs are often fixed with new software. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix an iPhone 14 camera that won't focus. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.